What if I told you that everything you knew about smartphone cameras was a lie? That the company you trusted just crossed a line no one saw coming? For the past week, I've been testing a device so controversial, it might just get this video taken down. I've discovered a secret feature they never advertised, and a flaw so massive, it changes everything. All product links for you to see for yourself are in the video description. Buckle up. This changes the game. Number 1. Apple iPad Air. Equipped with Apple's M3 processor, it delivers incredible performance in basically every scenario. Coupled with strong battery life and the premium yet lightweight design we've come to expect from the iPad Air, there's a lot to like here. With LCD rather than OLED and just a 60Hz refresh rate, the display might seem like a downside, but in day-to-day usage it's still mightily impressive. You will have to compromise in the charging department, though, while the lack of Face ID or any included accessories are frustrating. On the software side, iPadOS continues to offer the best user experience on any tablet, with loads of dedicated apps and prompt updates for years to come. If you're looking for a premium tablet that strikes a balance between features and price, the iPad Air is a great choice. Number 2. Xiaomi Pad 7. Don't want to pay high-end prices but still want a premium tablet? Go for the Xiaomi Pad 7, you won't be disappointed. For just £369 at launch, sadly unavailable in the US, you can get a high-end build, gorgeous 11-inch display and strong performance from the Snapdragon 870 chipset. Throw in solid battery life and decent charging speeds, and Xiaomi is onto a winner. While no accessories are included in the price, the keyboard cases, 2 to choose from, and Focus Pen stylus are all very impressive, too. A rather patchy software experience from Xiaomi's HyperOS Android skin remains the big compromise, though it's still very usable. You'll also have to make do without a fingerprint scanner, but that's easy to look beyond at this price. Overall, the Xiaomi Pad 7 offers a compelling, premium tablet experience for less than half the price of many rivals, making it a great buy. Number 3. Apple iPad. Even though there's plenty to be gained by spending a bit more to nab the iPad Air or the iPad Pro, it's incredible to see just how much value the base-level iPad OS 16 is able to bring to the table. For starters, when it comes to the core iPadOS experience, you're still getting access to the same great multitasking software iPad is known for, alongside top-tier apps that make it great not just for streaming and gaming, but also a spot of productivity, especially if you bring a keyboard into the mix. The new A16 chip also means that you're getting a decent processing bump over the previous entry-level iPad, although it's far from the lightning-fast speeds that you'll find on M-series iPads. Plus, the iPad OS 16 is now the only tablet in Apple's range that doesn't support Apple Intelligence. Still, Apple has finally done away with the 64GB model, having 128GB storage set as the standard and with no price increase as a result. As a means of getting into Apple's tablet ecosystem without spending a small fortune, the iPad OS 16 just can't be beaten. Number 4. Apple iPad Pro 11-inch. If you want the absolute best tablet money can buy, it's probably the latest iPad Pro. But for most people, the upgrade compared to the iPad Air isn't enough to justify the higher price tag. Like the Air, the Pro is also available in 11 and 13-inch sizes. However, it's the move to OLED that sets the screens apart, delivering incredibly vibrant colors and deep blacks. You also get Apple's M4 chip, which is incredibly fast and reliable in basically every scenario. An impressive new Magic Keyboard and loads of dedicated apps make this a brilliant tablet for creatives. But is that you? If not, you'll probably be just as happy with the Air or a MacBook if productivity is your top priority. At this price, it's simply not worth it for most people. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. Samsung's huge tablet is very expensive and not suitable for everyone. But if you want a huge 14.6-inch canvas to work with and prefer Samsung tablets to iPads, it's a compelling choice. That large display is a gorgeous 120Hz OLED, which works in tandem with excellent speakers to deliver a top-tier video watching experience. Ditching Qualcomm for the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus doesn't compromise performance, which is fast and reliable across all tasks, including gaming. The included S Pen is a great option for digital art or handwritten notes, while the optional keyboard accessory makes it a realistic laptop alternative. The lack of dedicated Android tablet apps still holds the tablet back, though, despite Samsung's One UI delivering a strong overall software experience. Battery life is solid, but there's no charger included, and a full charge will take well over an hour. So there you have it. The truth they don't want you to know. The good, the bad, and the utterly unbelievable. If you want to get your hands on this technological marvel, or disaster, all the links to buy are waiting for you in the description below. Did this shock you? Let me know in the comments what you think. Is it a breakthrough or a deal breaker? If your mind is even slightly blown, do me a huge favor, smash that like button, share this video with a friend you need to warn, and subscribe and hit the bell because what we're uncovering next week, you will not believe. Until then, stay skeptical.